In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently harness the power of Lovable AI for content automation. Whether you're already familiar with the tool or you're just getting started, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to streamline your content creation process, saving you both time and effort. First things first, open up your Chrome browser and make your way over to Lovable AI. Logging in is straightforward. Use your credentials as you normally would. Being in the right environment, such as Chrome, ensures that you have the most seamless experience possible. Once you're logged in, you'll need to either choose a project you're already working on or create a brand new one, specifically geared toward content automation. Make this an opportunity to think about the scope of what you want to achieve. The project can be as broad or as focused as you need it to be, depending on your goals. Now that you have your project set up, it's time to get into the details. To make your content generation effective, you'll want to establish recurring content themes, select relevant keywords, and decide on your preferred content formats. These three components are crucial as they guide the AI in producing content that's aligned with your vision. Consider the type of content that best resonates with your audience, be it articles, newsletters, or social media posts, and plan accordingly. Next, let's talk about timing and consistency. If Lovable AI offers scheduling or API triggers, take advantage of these features to automate your content rollout. Scheduling lets you set specific times for your content to be published, ensuring consistency with your audience. If API triggers are available, they can help automate the content generation process based on specific actions or timelines, streamlining your workflow even further. Now that you've set the stage, let Lovable AI do what it does best. Generate content automatically based on the meticulous settings you've configured. The beauty of this tool is its ability to churn out content that adheres to the guidelines you've laid out, providing a base for you to work from. Finally, remember that no matter how advanced AI technology becomes, a human touch is still essential. Regularly review and approve or adjust the content outputs. This ensures that the material is not only accurate, but also aligns with your brand's tone and message. It's an ongoing process of refinement that keeps your content fresh and relevant. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now well equipped to leverage Lovable AI's capabilities for a more efficient content creation strategy. Keep practicing, and you'll find the perfect balance between automation and personalized content in no time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to